I'm about to tell you something that motorcycle dealerships don't want you to know. Most riders are throwing away tens of thousands of dollars on bikes that'll leave them stranded, while the most bulletproof motorcycles on Earth are sitting right there for half the price. Honda has been quietly building motorcycle legends that outlast everything else on the road. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to save you serious money and show you exactly which models will still be running when everything else is in the scrapyard. Number 25. Honda Fury. Starting our countdown with a bike that looks like it costs twice what it actually does. The Honda Fury combines custom chopper looks with Honda reliability. Powered by a 1,312 cubic centimeter, liquid-cooled V-twin delivering 68 horsepower and 76 pound-feet of torque. That stretched-out frame and 34-degree rake angle make it look like a $30,000 custom. But Honda engineered it to be reliable as sunrise. Clean examples are going for $8,000 to $11,000. A steal for what you get. Number 24. Honda CB500X. The CB500X is Honda's entry-level adventure bike with a 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin producing 47 horsepower. At 430 pounds, it's light enough to handle easily but stable for serious riding. The 4.7-gallon tank delivers over 65 miles per gallon for nearly 300 miles of range. Used models run $4,500 to $6,500. New ones start around $7,300. For versatile, reliable transportation, it's outstanding value. Number 23. Honda CB300R. This neo-retro standard combines Honda reliability with modern style. The 286 cubic centimeter single makes 31 horsepower in a 348-pound package, delivering 75+ miles per gallon. The steel trellis frame, adjustable suspension, and LED lighting prove this isn't some stripped-down budget bike. Used examples go for $3,500 to $4,500. New ones start around $5,100. Number 22. Honda Shadow Aero. The Shadow Aero's 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin produces 45 horsepower with that signature low-end rumble. At 564 pounds with a 26.6-inch seat height, it's perfect for comfortable cruising. The shaft drive means no chain maintenance, and Honda's build quality ensures decades of reliable operation. Used models run $4,000 to $6,500. Number 21. Honda Rebel 300. Don't let the displacement fool you. The Rebel 300's 286 cubic centimeter parallel twin produces 27 horsepower in a 364-pound package with a 27.2-inch seat height. It handles highway speeds while returning over 70 miles per gallon. Classic bobber styling with Honda reliability. Used examples run $3,000 to $4,000. Number 20. Honda CB650R. Now we're getting serious. The CB650R's 649 cubic centimeter inline-4 produces 94 horsepower with that pure motorcycle music sound. At 456 pounds, it's light enough to be flickable but stable for serious riding. The Showa suspension is fully adjustable and Nissan brakes with ABS provide excellent stopping power. Used models sell for $6,000 to $8,500. If you've made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more Honda gold coming up. Number 19. Honda PCX160. Before you dismiss this as just a scooter, the PCX160 delivers over 100 miles per gallon while requiring almost zero maintenance. The 156 cubic centimeter engine produces 15 horsepower in a 287-pound package. Under-seat storage holds a full helmet, and the automatic CVT means twist-and-go reliability. New ones start around $3,900. Used examples run $2,500 to $3,200. Number 18. Honda CB500F. The CB500F represents honest, reliable transportation. The 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin produces 47 horsepower in a 414-pound package with a 30.9-inch seat height. The upright position works for any rider size, and the proven engine delivers exactly what most riders need: Used models run $4,000 to $6,000. Number 17, Honda Shadow Phantom. The Shadow Phantom uses the same proven 745 cubic centimeter V-twin as other Shadows, but with aggressive blacked-out styling. The 25.7-inch seat height makes it accessible, while forward controls create comfortable cruising position. Used Phantoms in excellent condition run $5,500 to $7,500. Number 16, Honda Rebel 1100. When Honda built a serious middleweight cruiser, they didn't mess around. The 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin produces 87 horsepower and 72 pound-feet of torque. Available with 6-speed manual or Honda's excellent DCT automatic. At 487 pounds, it's light for this power level. New models start around $9,300. Used examples run $7,500 to $9,000. Number 15, Honda Monkey. Sometimes the best motorcycles just make you smile. The Honda Monkey's 125 cubic centimeter air-cooled single produces 9.7 horsepower in a 230-pound package, delivering 120-plus miles per gallon. Despite compact dimensions, build quality is pure Honda. New Monkeys start around $4,200. Used examples run $3,200 to $4,000. Number 14, Honda Super Cub. Here's the motorcycle that changed the world. The Super Cub's 125 cubic centimeter engine produces 9 horsepower with legendary longevity. These routinely hit hundreds of thousands of miles. The automatic clutch and 4-speed transmission make riding effortless, while delivering 120-plus miles per gallon. New models start around $3,900. Number 13, Honda CBR 600F4i. When people talk about reliable sport bikes, the F4i always comes up. The 599 cubic centimeter inline 4 produces 108 horsepower through one of Honda's most refined engines. The aluminum frame and high-quality suspension deliver exceptional handling. These bikes regularly accumulate high miles with basic maintenance. Used examples run $4,000 to $6,500. Number 12, Honda VTX 1800. When Honda built a big cruiser, they didn't mess around. The 1,795 cubic centimeter V-twin produces 106 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque. At 700 pounds, it's substantial but manageable thanks to the low center of gravity. Used VTX 1800s run $6,000 to $10,000. Exceptional value for big cruiser performance. Number 11, Honda CRF 300L. The CRF 300L handles everything from commuting to trail riding. The 286 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single produces 27 horsepower in a 309-pound package. The 34.8-inch seat height and long travel suspension make it capable off-road while remaining highway stable. New models start around $5,300. Used examples run $3,800 to $4,800. Number 10, Honda Rebel 500. The Rebel 500's 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin produces 45 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque with smooth, predictable delivery. At 414 pounds with a 27.2-inch seat height, it's accessible while providing stable handling. Clean styling with Honda reliability. Used examples run $4,500 to $6,000. Seen any bikes that caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 9, Honda ST 1100. The ST 1100 proves Honda's engineering excellence. The 1,085 cubic centimeter V4 produces 100 horsepower in a virtually vibration-free package. Built for serious touring with excellent weather protection and integrated luggage capability. Many examples exceed 200,000 miles. Used ST 1010s run $4,000 to $8,000. Number 8, Honda VFR 800. The VFR 800 represents Honda's pursuit of the perfect sport tourer. The 782 cubic centimeter V4 with VTEC produces 107 horsepower, with that intoxicating V4 exhaust note. The aluminum frame and high-quality suspension strike a perfect balance between sporting capability and long-distance comfort. Used examples run $5,000 to $9,000. Number 7. Honda Goldwing. When Honda builds luxury touring, they spare no expense. The current 1,833 cubic centimeter flat six produces 125 horsepower with incredible smoothness. Equipped with every luxury feature imaginable: cruise control, heated seats, premium audio, GPS navigation, reverse gear. These routinely accumulate hundreds of thousands of miles. Used Goldwings range from $8,000 to $20,000+. Number 6. Honda CBR 1000RR. Honda's ultimate superbike combines incredible performance with surprising reliability. The 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 produces over 180 horsepower in recent iterations. Despite extreme performance, it maintains Honda's reputation for reliability. State-of-the-art chassis with advanced electronics and sophisticated suspension. Used examples range from $6,000 to $12,000+. Number 5. Honda CBR 600RR. The CBR 600RR proved Honda could build a focused track bike without sacrificing reliability. The 599 cubic centimeter inline-4 produces around 120 horsepower, with immediate, intoxicating delivery. Pure racebike chassis with rigid aluminum frame and race-derived suspension. These handle track days and street riding equally well. Used examples run $5,000 to $8,500. Number 4. Honda ST1300. The ST1300 builds on the ST1100 strengths with modern refinements. The 1,261 cubic centimeter V4 produces 125 horsepower through Honda's smoothest power plant, virtually vibration-free and designed for high-mileage touring. Many exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's the choice of law enforcement worldwide. Used models run $6,000 to $10,000. Number 3. Honda Shadow 750, VT750. The Shadow 750 combines classic cruiser styling with bulletproof reliability. The 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin produces 45 horsepower with smooth, reliable power delivery perfect for cruising. At 560 pounds with a 26.6-inch seat height, it's manageable while providing confident handling. The shaft drive eliminates chain maintenance. What makes this special is the combination of reliability, affordability, and timeless style. Used examples run $3,500 to $6,500. Number 2. Honda NC700X or NC750X. Here's Honda's practical genius. The NC series uses a 670 cubic centimeter parallel twin, producing around 50 horsepower with incredible fuel economy. The engine is canted forward to create storage space where the fuel tank usually sits. Available with Honda's DCT automatic transmission, it's perfect for riders wanting reliability without complexity. The adventure styling and comfortable ergonomics work for any riding situation. Used NC700X or 750X models run $4,500 to $7,500. Number 1. Honda CB750. Here's our number 1 choice. The bike that started the modern motorcycle era and still represents everything great about Honda engineering. The original CB750's 736 cubic centimeter inline-4 was revolutionary, but it's the later models we're focusing on. The CB750 Nighthawk and other variants used refined versions of Honda's proven technology. What makes the CB750 our top choice is its perfect combination of performance, reliability, and affordability. The inline-4 engine delivers smooth power with Honda's legendary longevity. These bikes regularly accumulate massive miles with basic maintenance, parts are readily available, and the classic styling never goes out of fashion. The CB750 proved that motorcycles could be both exciting and reliable, a philosophy Honda still follows today. Whether you find an original 1970s model or a later Nighthawk variant, you're getting a piece of motorcycle history that'll still be running strong decades from now. Used CB 750s can be found anywhere from $2,500 to $8,000 depending on year, model, and condition. For riders who want dependable transportation with genuine motorcycle heritage, the CB 750 is simply unbeatable. There you have it. 25 Honda motorcycles that prove reliability and value don't have to be boring. These bikes will still be running strong when everything else is heading to the scrapyard. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Let's keep riding!